Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Saviland Solid Cream Gel Nail Polish Kit, the Saviland 36 Colors Gel Paint Nail Art Kit. Whether you're a beginner or a professional nail artist, this kit promises to bring salon-quality nail art right to your home with its extensive color range and handy tools. This gel paint kit comes beautifully packaged, offering 36 different gel polish colors, each with 8 milliliters of product, along with 15 unique nail art brushes. These brushes vary in size and shape, providing everything you need to create detailed and creative designs. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. It can be used not only as a regular gel polish but also for intricate painting and drawing directly on your nails. You can paint flowers, butterflies, leaves, or even fine lines, making it perfect for a wide range of nail art styles. The gel polish is formulated with resin and natural ingredients, designed to be safe, low in odor, and gentle on your nails. It's compatible with natural nails, UV, LED gel nails, false nails, and acrylic nails, making it a flexible choice for different nail types and preferences. Once cured correctly under a UV or LED lamp, this gel paint is said to last more than 3 weeks without chipping, offering a long-lasting and glossy finish that stays vibrant. Using this gel paint kit is straightforward. Start by preparing your nails, apply a base coat, and cure it under your nail lamp. Then apply a thin layer of the gel paint and cure again. For painting and detailed designs, dip your brush into the gel paint and create your desired patterns, curing each step as you go. Finish with a top coat and final curing to seal your design. This process ensures durability and a professional finish every time. Removing the gel polish involves gently buffing the surface and soaking your nails in an acrylic remover for about 5 to 10 minutes. After softening, the gel polish can be carefully peeled off without damaging your natural nails. The kit also includes a helpful reminder to keep the gel paint sealed tightly and out of direct sunlight to prevent it from drying out. It's important to perform a skin test before use to avoid any allergic reactions and stop use immediately if irritation occurs. Overall, the Saviland 36 Colors Gel Paint Nail Art Kit offers a comprehensive and affordable option for anyone looking to explore gel nail art. With its wide selection of colors, quality brushes, and long-lasting formula, it makes creating professional-looking nails at home easier and more fun. If you're interested in a versatile gel polish that combines vibrant colors with painting capability, this kit might be the perfect addition to your nail care collection. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.